So this Euro Pound analysis for Thursday, 17th of May. Now, let's just have a look at our prices and where prices may likely go. So we did see the sell side momentum take us through this 87.30 and the 200 period moving average confluence. Formed a bit of a low here, slightly above the 87.50. Had a retest of that 87.83, almost to the pip from this 87.83. We have seen the sell side momentum come back into the market, breaking below the 87.50, forming a bit of a base, retested the 87.50 from underneath, rejected, and again we're seeing the sell side momentum continuation here to the downside. So we've broken below our previous lows here. We've had a brief bullish bounce, but we do appear to be having a rejection. So it does seem that prices are likely to progress down towards the very next level of importance. And the very next level of importance would be a move down towards the 87 level, from which you could see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market, taking us back towards 87.50. Failing that, we'll be looking for a move down towards that 86.63 major level marked out here in red for potential support. Now, let's just have a look here at the... We didn't have a look if we did see a bullish momentum come back into this market. So, if we do possibly hold where we are at present for potential support, we're looking for a move towards 87.50. Successful break from which we'll be looking for a move back up towards 87.83, where we do have that confluence of the 400 period moving averages, thus increasing likelihood of seeing sell side momentum return to the market from that level. And we've also seen sell side momentum return at that 87.83 in the not too distant past. We've found resistance there, so potentially if we can successfully navigate the 87.50, potentially looking for resistance at that 87.83 again. Now let's just have a look at the daily chart. So we head over to the daily chart on the euro against a pound. Get scaling on here, correct? Here on this daily chart, so we did mention that we were a bit cautious because we posted a relatively slightly lower high, and we were looking to see if we could find support from the bottom support. So we've come down towards our previous lows here on the daily chart, trades slightly below them, so we're still interacting in and around that level. So we'll see if we do get a bullish bounce from this level and start to develop a bit of a trading range here on the euro pound. But if we can successfully continue our navigation beyond it, we'll somewhat invalidate this move here to the upside. We've broken out of the upwards channel that was developing, and instead we do see a possible price progression here to the downside. In relation terms, I suppose we could have this being a lower high in relation to this previous swing high. So we do have a swing high here, potentially a lower swing high for prices to re-challenge these lows. But we'll see how price develops, whether we can find that support we did here previously, or whether we'll see that continued price progression here towards the downside, down towards our 86.63 and possibly down towards our 86, making new relative lows. And with that said, that wraps up the euro pound analysis. Thanks for watching.